that too. You never know what's gonna happen, Gabe. Alright guys, 2011-12 Panini Dominion Hockey Single Box Random Teams number 5. There's only one box left in the case after this one. I'll put it in the store tonight. We'll break it 47 days from now when it fills up. Sound good? Sounds good. All 30 teams are in. Good luck. 4 times on the draw. Keep forgetting to put a new dang spreadsheet. There you go. I'll line it up accordingly here. Alright, 4 times. We're going to start with C-Barb on the bottom. Captain Morgan 34 up top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Steelers 6-time champs number 1 and number 30. 6-time champ sandwich. Teams, Wild on the bottom, Avalanche up top. 1, 2, 3. 4th and final hit. Cross your fingers, hold your winners. 4. Sabres and Flyers, top and bottom. Alright, let's see what we got here. B. Albano Blackhawks, Bernie DeRoche, Red Wings, Hurricanes, Kings, Stars, Bruins, and Sharks. Bookie the Panthers, C-Barb Rangers and Islanders, Captain Morgan Canucks and Lightning, Darren N Penguins and Blues, Eagle Eye 82 Canadiens, Coyotes and Blue Jackets, Ed Reed Avalanche, Fields of Fire, Flames and Leafs, El Jemiah Jets, Pret City Cards, Oilers, Predators, Capitals, Ducks, Devils, and Wild. Steelers 6-time champs, Sabres, Senators, and Flyers. Boom! We did it. So excited. We did the draw. We made it. We didn't mess it up. Who's ready? Who's ready to see some friggin' awesome hockey right now? Me. My kid. Dummy cards. First up, number 171 of 199, Jamie Benn of the Dallas Stars. Bernie DeRoche. $25 of 199, Gabriel Bork. Oh, that's clever. The Predators, Pret City Cards. I'm not sure how good this guy is nowadays, but he was definitely the dude to get when this stuff came out. Ryan Nugent Hopkins, 28 out of 99, 3-color patch auto. Bam! Pret City and the Oilers. It's a rookie patch auto. Cal Cluster. What? Clutterbuck. Sorry. Peerless Patches Auto. Cal Clutterbuck. I'm not sure who that guy plays for. Clutter. Plus. Look that one up. This is a Hari Sateri. 23 out of 50 for the Sharks. Bernie DeRoche. Two color. Stan Mikita for the Blackhawks, number 9 out of 10. B. Albano 48. And Ray Bork, the Bruins, out of 50, 23 of 50. Bernie DeRoche. Clutterbuck is the Islanders. Thank you very much. Islanders belong to C. Barbo and oh man. And number to 199, Jean-Sebastien Giguère, the Avalanche. Ed Reed. And that does it. Got the Nugent Hopkins RPA. That would have been the monster hit of the case back in the day. Thanks for watching and joining. Until next time, peace.